Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit urban black and orange filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here are sample photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to light, exposure down to -0.20, bring the contrast to +50, highlights down to -23, shadow +46, bring down white to -80, bring black to +60, go to curve, follow these steps. And done. Next go to color, +50 for vibrance, saturation bring down to -10, go to color mix. First go to red color, bring hue down to -14, saturation to -50, and luminance +14. Next go to orange, -10 for the hue, saturation to -23, and luminance to +26. Move over to yellow, -100 for hue, bring down saturation to -30, and luminance +26. Now saturation -100 for green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to effect, bring clarity to +60. Dehaze to +20. -10 for vignette. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 220 and saturation 10 for highlights. Now bring the hue to 219 and saturation 5 for shadows. And done. Now go to details, sharpening 20, noise reduction bring to 35, and finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. And paste.
What we do here is go back.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.